ProtonMail offers a secure way to manage your emails, and downloading your data can be essential for backup or migration purposes. Follow these steps to download your data from ProtonMail. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Open your web browser and go to the ProtonMail website. Enter your credentials to log into your account securely. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the import/export section. In the settings menu, find the import/export tab. This section allows you to manage your data downloads and imports. Step 4. Choose data to download. Select the type of data you wish to download. You can typically choose to download emails, contacts, or other relevant information. Make your selection based on your needs. Step 5. Initiate the download. After selecting the data, look for the download button or link. Click it to start the download process. Depending on the amount of data, this may take some time. Once the download is complete, you will have a copy of your ProtonMail data stored securely on your device. Always ensure to keep your downloaded data safe and secure.